One of the challenges people often run into when they first start speaking is somebody hands them one of these, the microphone. And to some people, this is one of the scariest devices in the world. But actually, it's a very easy to use tool once you understand how they actually work. So we'll just do a real brief, how does a microphone work? Inside the microphone, there's actually a diaphragm or capsule that the sound coming out of your mouth will make vibrate. So if we think of the capsule sitting this way, when I talk, it's going to move it back and forth like this, and you're going to pick up quite well on my voice. So you have to hold it like this and speak into the end so your voice is moving that diaphragm back and forth like it should so that it can pick you up well. But one of the important tricks to remember is if you're going to turn, you've got to bring the microphone over with you so you're still talking into the microphone. Because if you leave it back here when you turn, nobody's going to hear you over there except a bunch of muffle because your voice is going this way and it's not doing a very good job of making that turn and getting into the microphone for you. So biggest trick with a mic is point it at your mouth and talk straight into the microphone. And if you're talking too loud for the microphone, just move it away from yourself a little bit. Don't try and talk softer because you won't come across well. Just move the mic a little bit. And if you need to be louder, you can move the mic in and get yourself a little louder. So very, very easy tool to use, but remember, speak into the mic, don't talk over it. Lavalier mics, or lapel mics as they're known, are the other type of microphone that you'll often run into in addition to the handheld. You don't have to talk directly into it like you do with a handheld mic. It's designed to be sitting down on your chest. And you have to play around sometimes with them based upon your voice and how loud you are, as far as how far up or down to move it in order to get a good sound without overloading the microphone.